Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. I'm Emmanuel, the creator and owner of the Ultimate Gardening business. So today in this exciting spreading video, I have an entire new Christmas collection for you guys. I'm really excited for this collection. So if you would like to know all the varieties and plant names in this collection and when the collection will be released, you could go ahead and watch the entire video to learn the information on that. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So guys, starting off with number one, we have the one and only Snowball Calling Koi. I really love this plant, really slow performer. It's sort of considered a succulent, as we could say. Really beautiful flowers in a ball shape, which is why, as you can know by the name, this is used in succulent arrangements, mostly because of how it's considered a succulent, basically, once more. But yeah, once more, this is called the Snowball Calling Koi. So guys, the next plant on this collection is the one and only Arizona Apricot Gallardia. This is from the Growing Colors company. They gave me permission to go ahead and sell these online on my business on eBay. So we have this Arizona Apricot Gallardia, really amazing plant, highly recommended. So all the details and information on this plant will be in the collection and the listing of the actual plant. So let's go ahead and move on to number three. The next plant in our collection, which is number 3, is one of my personal favorites in this collection. So this is called the Christmas Feast Aglaonema. Oh my God, is this one of the most gorgeous plants I have seen yet? One of my favorites in this collection. So the plant is really unique in its form. It has a red outline of the leaf and then green in the center. I really love this with the pink stem. Really highly recommend this plant. Great in containers and in-ground planting. Blooms a little bit white in a way. But yeah, so once more, this is called the Christmas Feast Aglaonema. So guys, coming at number 4 is my favorite plant in this collection, which is called the Holiday Wine Wishbone Flower or Torino. This is an amazing performer, you guys, in the spring, fall, and summer months. One of the best plants in this collection yet. Burgundy flowers. I released 2 other plants in the collection, which are called the Velvet Delight Wishbone Flower. Well, it's called the Velvet Delight Purple Wishbone Flower and the Cotton Candy Delight Pink Wishbone Flower, but this is called the Holiday Wine Wishbone Flower Burgundy. Really love this plant. It's in a small form right now, but give it a few months with a bit of small fertilizer and it will boost in growth. So once more, this is called the Holiday Wine Wishbone Flower. So guys, coming at number 5 is the one and only Mystery Ornament Geranium. So why is it called mysteries? Because they're different colors and I don't quite know the colors yet, but we're gonna go ahead and list them on eBay as different colors. The colors could be either white, hot pink with a dark pink lining in the eye, and all different types of colors. So I don't know the color, but once more, these will be listed as the Mysterious Ornament Geraniums. Really love this plant. Great performer in containers. I usually use them in containers instead of in-ground planting, but they're also a great plant in in-ground planting as well. So once more, this is called the Mystery Ornament Geranium. So guys, another plant from the Growing Colors company is one of my personal favorites, which is the Berry Smoothie Hookura. This is an amazing performer, slow performer or average at its plant variety. Really love this plant. Once more, Growing Colors links will be down below. Thanks once more, Growing Colors, for having me the permission to sell these on eBay. We have huge plans for next year, you guys, so stay on the lookout for that. But once more, this is called the Berry Smoothie Hookura. So guys, the last and final plant in this collection is called the White Icicle Flax Lily. This is an amazing performer, you guys. We have this in the front of our house in surrounding palm trees, blooms blue flowers, really beautiful. I highly recommend this plant. It's pretty small to be its average, like mature size. Really love this plant, you guys. Highly recommend it. I have a few of these, so grab them while you can. So yeah. So let's go ahead and move on to a few more details on this collection. So guys, I know in different climates, there's different zones and temperatures, but for Christmas, usually we think of cold, and plants do not do the best in the climate that are cold. So I did a different option in case you do want to purchase from me and support my channel and business and the videos I create for you guys. I create another option for you guys. So instead of buying Ultimate Gardening plants, you could go ahead and purchase an Ultimate Gardening Christmas ornament to hang on your tree. So I have two other designs. We have this classic gold ruffled ornament design, but I have two other that's currently being produced on that will be listed the exact same day. The other designs is a plain smooth gold, and the other one's a glittery white ornament for you guys to purchase. Once more, if you purchase any of these plants, the money will be going directly towards the channel, making better videos and coming out with new varieties for you guys. So once more, this is the Christmas celebration collection for you guys. I'm really excited for this collection. Can't wait for when it released. So you guys now are coming down to the point as when these plants will be released. So these plants will be listed on Wednesday of this week. So we're putting a 2-day timeline because eBay spends 1 to 2 days to list the actual plants on eBay. But once more, if you guys would like to purchase the plants right away, you could just contact me on my Instagram, which is at ultimate_gardening. Send me a message through there, or at my business page, which is at ultimate_gardening_business. And there you could just send me saying which one you would like, if you would like a Ultimate Gardening ornament or you would like a plant, and I'll send you a link towards that and you can purchase it from there. But once more, the plants will be listed on eBay on Wednesday, but today they'll be listed, but you know, they'll be on eBay, but once you search them up on eBay, you won't be able to see them. Only I can send links. So once more, if you want to go ahead and purchase these right away, you can go ahead and send me a message on Instagram as well. So yeah, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once more, a huge shout out to the Growing Colors company for making me be able to purchase or sell some of their plants on my business. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up for you. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once more, I'm really excited for this collection. This collection will be released on Wednesday for you guys. Oh my god, I am really excited. So once more, if you cannot purchase a plant, you could always purchase an Ultimate Gardening ornament, which will support the channel and creating better videos and new plant varieties for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Once more, huge shout out to Growing Colors company for making me be able to list these plants on eBay, 2 of their plants, and I'm really excited for this collection to be released. Leave me any comments down below on what you thought on this collection review and on the video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.